Ang lesson natin today ay tungkol sa mga English phrases na pwede natin gamitin para ilarawan ang sakit na nararamdaman natin. 50 English phrases to describe health issues, physical pains, or illnesses. I have a pinched nerve. I have a pinched nerve. May naipit akong ugat. My knees are killing me. My knees are killing me. Grabe, sobrang sakit ng mga tuhod ko. My leg muscles are cramping up. My leg muscles are cramping up. Pinupulikat ako. I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous. Naduduwal ako. I have a tingling sensation in my legs. I have a tingling sensation in my legs. Namimintig ang mga binti ko. My head has been pounding all day. My head has been pounding all day. Buong araw nang masakit ang ulo ko. I'm running a high fever. I'm running a high fever. Mataas ang lagnat ko. I twisted my ankle. I twisted my ankle. Natapilok ako. My joints hurt. My joints hurt. Sumasakit ang mga kasukasuan ko. My hand is numb. My hand is numb. Namamanhid ang kamay ko. My nails are turning yellow. My nails are turning yellow. Naninilaw ang mga kuko ko. I have a sharp stabbing pain in my stomach. I have a sharp stabbing pain in my stomach. Matindi ang pananakit ng tiyan ko. My voice is hoarse. My voice is hoarse. Namamaos ako. My vision is getting blurry. My vision is getting blurry. Nanlalabo ang paningin ko. My hair is falling out. My hair is falling out. Naglalagas ang buhok ko. My ears are ringing. My ears are ringing. Tumutunog ang tenga ko. My eyes are watering uncontrollably. My eyes are watering uncontrollably. Nagluluha ang mga mata ko. I have shooting pains in my side. I have shooting pains in my side. Kumikirot ang tagiliran ko. My chest feels tight and painful. My chest feels tight and painful. Naninikip at masakit ang dibdib ko. I've got a runny nose. I've got a runny nose. Sinisipon ako. My throat hurts when I swallow. My throat hurts when I swallow. Sumasakit ang lalamunan ko kapag lumulunok ako. I've had diarrhea for 2 days. I've had diarrhea for 2 days. 2 araw na akong nagtatae. My nose is congested. My nose is congested. Barado ang ilong ko. I've noticed a lump in my left armpit. I've noticed a lump in my left armpit. May napansin akong bukol sa kaliwang kilikili ko. I have trouble breathing sometimes. I have trouble breathing sometimes. Nahihirapan akong huminga minsan. I'm sweating profusely and feeling a bit lightheaded. I'm sweating profusely and feeling a bit lightheaded. Pinapawisan ako ng gusto at medyo nahihilo. I'm losing my balance. I'm losing my balance. Nawawalan ako ng balanse. My gums are bleeding. My gums are bleeding. Dumudugo ang gilagid ko. I think I might have the flu. I think I might have the flu. May trangkaso yata ako. My eyes are red and itchy. My eyes are red and itchy. Namumula at nangangati ang mga mata ko. I feel weak and fatigued. I feel weak and fatigued. Nanghihina ako at saka napapagod. I feel like I'm going to faint. I feel like I'm going to faint. Para akong hihimatayin. My neck is so stiff, I couldn't turn my head. My neck is so stiff, I couldn't turn my head. Naninigas ang leeg ko, hindi ko maibaling ang ulo ko. My skin is covered in hives. My skin is covered in hives. Puno ng pantal ang balat ko. I have a persistent cough. I have a persistent cough. Pabalik-balik ang ubo ko. I'm having heart palpitations. I'm having heart palpitations. Mabilis ang tibok ng puso ko. I have a throbbing headache. I have a throbbing headache. Masakit na masakit ang ulo ko. I feel like I've been hit by a truck. I feel like I've been hit by a truck. Pakiramdam ko para akong nabundol ng truck. I'm experiencing double vision. I'm experiencing double vision. Dumudoble ang paningin ko. My eyelid is twitching due to extreme fatigue. My eyelid is twitching due to extreme fatigue. Kumikibot ang talukap ng mata ko dahil sa sobrang pagod. My palms are always sweaty. My palms are always sweaty. Laging mamasa-masa ang mga palad ko. The pain comes and goes. The pain comes and goes. Minsan bumabalik, minsan nawawala ang sakit. I've cut my finger. I've cut my finger. Nahiwa ko ang daliri ko. I'm constipated. I'm constipated. Tinitibi ako. I've been urinating more than usual. I've been urinating more than usual. Mas madalas akong umiihi ngayon. It's like a pins and needles sensation. It's like a pins and needles sensation. Parang tinutusok ng karayom yung pakiramdam. I can't stop sneezing. I can't stop sneezing. Hatching ako ng hatching. I think I broke my arm. I think I broke my arm. Nabali yata ang braso ko. I have high blood pressure. I have high blood pressure. May alta presyon ako. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. Masakit ang ngipin ko.